Hi, my name's Nick Smith, and today I'll be talking about Fairly Odd Parents. Facts about the creator of Fairly Odd Parents. His name is Butch Hartman. He was born in Highland Park, Michigan. He received the nickname Butch during his childhood and carried it into his adult life. What other cartoons he created? He created Danny Phantom, Tough Puppy, Bunsen is a Beast, and was a voice actor for Family Guy. Who he worked for? Butch only worked for Nickelodeon when he was creating his cartoons. His main audience was kids throughout his career until he became a voice actor for a character in Family Guy. The character was Dr. Hartman. History of Fairly Odd Parents. Fairly Odd Parents was first started when the show Oh Yeah premiered 10 Fairly Odd Parents shorts from 1998 to 2001. Airing as a regular TV series, Nickelodeon has showed a total of 10 seasons with 172 episodes aired in the United States, including 7 television movies and 3 crossovers with Jimmy Neutron. Important characters and their voice actors. First, Timmy Turner. Timmy Turner is the main character of the show. He is 10 years old and his life was changed when his pet goldfish turned into fairies. His voice actor was Tara Strong. Cosmo. Cosmo is the second main character in Fairly Odd Parents. He is one of Timmy's fairies and is the husband of Wanda. He is the dumbest character in the show and is the reason Timmy gets into trouble most of the time. His voice actor was Darren Norris. Next, Wanda. Wanda is the third main character in the Fairly Odd Parents show and is the wife of Cosmo. She is the smartest character in the story and the main way Timmy gets out of trouble. Her voice actor was Suzanne Blakesley. Finally, Vicky. Vicky is Timmy's babysitter and is very mean, rude, and evil. She is a part of the BRAT. It stands for the Babysitters Raging Against Twerps. Her voice actor is Gray DeLisle. Now for some fun facts. The show was canceled 5 times while it was being created. The Flintstones inspired the character Wanda. Timmy's parents were at first headless, which means Timmy was very short and you couldn't see any of the parents' heads. The show was has won dozens of awards, and Timmy's middle name is Tiberius. And that is it. And here is the intro for Fairly Odd Parents.